How do you do voice isolation on the Android? So let me explain that. If this is your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends for which purpose you want to use it. Some people want to isolate the voice of their voice recording. Some people want to do it on a phone call. So it kind of depends, but for example, if you want to do it with the voice recordings, you can use the built-in app, for example, and there are some ways you can manage it, right? So you can trim it or apply some things. For example, you have the ability to skip the silence and so on, right? So you would isolate the voice in this way, or you can explore the Play Store for more options on how you can edit your audio files. So in it there, you should also find the voice isolator apps, which would allow you to basically import your audio files into that app, and you will have the ability to just keep the voice and remove the background or whatever the goal is. However, if you mean it through the phone call, in that case, it is a slightly different thing because it depends on your phone now. But on the Samsung Android phones, it's called the voice focus mode, and it is part of a phone call. Whenever you are on a call, you will have the ability to tap on the microphone icon and choose that option. But it usually never really shows up right away, so you have to kind of like explore it a little bit deeper. But yeah, you should most definitely tap on the microphone and it should kind of work. So I hope I was able to explain that. If there are some more thoughts or questions you still might have, leave them below. For now, that's it, and I'll see you later.